Morning. I see. It's 6:48. Everybody's downstairs and awake. Oh dear. I'm just now doing the dishwasher and making a coffee. Mika's going to school today. Potsy's going nursery today. I know you don't want to, but you're fine. I mean, Ari, I think you're going to go to school as well. She doesn't want to.
She just wants to play a tablet.
Well, she's not playing her tablet today. We'll see. She says her throat still really hurts. But we'll see how she goes. Hello! It's 12:10. Foxy Man is back from nursery. I dropped them all off this morning and then I went to my friend Amanda's, which was lovely, and had copious amounts of tea and cuddles with her amazing little girl. I think she's fine.
I'm going to Gamma.
Where? You want to go to Amanda's? Okay. She's another school mum. Yeah. Excuse me. Aria went into school. She didn't want to go. No. Gary's here, obviously. Gary? Gary! Gary! Excuse me, sir. Mr. Gary. Yeah, Ari went to school. She didn't want to. But she literally just had a sore throat and she couldn't tell me anything else that was wrong. So I said, well, go in, see how you feel. If you feel shit, tell the teachers and I'll come and get you. And touch wood, haven't heard anything yet. She's got her Christmas play thing. She's a Bethlehem person, apparently. That's what the letter said. So I had to send her in with a tea towel. So that's in the church this afternoon. So we'll go and watch that. Ben is coming over to watch that as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have some lunch. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have, but I want something warm because it is so cold. I had to text one of my like my dad friends, like one of the school dads this morning, saying I need help. I can't find the bonnet release thing on my car. And so I like pulled up to the school run this morning and he like flashed his lights at me and was like, park in front of me. So I parked in front of him and he got out of the car, opened the door, pulled the lever and the bonnet popped up and he was like, where's your washer fluid? And I was like, I haven't got any. And he was like, for fuck's sake. So he shut it all again. So I've just bought washer fluid, but now I know how to open it. I'm a little bit nervous about actually undoing the catch underneath because I don't want to ping my nails off. But we shall. Gary! We shall see. Yeah, I'm gonna go have some lunch. I'll talk to you in a bit. So that's going to go on the top. Okay, that's fine.
Mama, I don't want to see my telly.
I know, Bubby. Mummy's going to try and put some blinds up for you. Yeah.
How?
I don't really know, Bub, but we'll do something. We've got some curtains to put up, haven't we?
Yeah.
right, mate. Mmm. Ham, turkey, cheese, jalapenos. Mmm, so good. Hey guys, it's 5 o'clock. We went to Aria's Christmas thing in the church and it was really cute. They obviously I'm not religious at all, but it was very, very sweet. And each of the kids had to come up and they read one line from the story to a microphone, and then they did lots of songs. And Ari did a line, didn't you? What did you have to say? Was it Mary was lucky because she had her donkey to ride?
Yeah.
And she did it so clear and in such a big girl voice, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you had a tea towel on your head, didn't you?
Yeah.
And it was just amazing. You were really good, weren't you?
Yeah.
And then you just had non-ords for dinner? Yeah. Ben's now gone to get Mika because she had her Christmas movie night after school. And she's got her McDonald's here. I'm just reheating the chips because they're always bloody soggy. Ari's was soggy, so they went in the air fryer. Oh, I'm knackered. And then yeah, you can have a candy cane. But yeah, I'll talk to you in a bit. Aria. Mika's best friend made her a Christmas card and it's really cute. What's it say, Mika?
Feliz Navidad.
And what does that mean?
Merry Christmas
In Spanish.
I made one for you.
What did yours say?
It's Feliz Navidad. No, it doesn't.
Aria stinks. She just keeps
No,
farting.
don't.
Mika, how many farts has Aria done?
None. 15 in a row. No.
Literally just constant farts. Oh, Mummy's got a bad headache. Can we go to bed?
No.
Is it bedtime?
Definitely not.
What's the time?
2 hours.
What time is it?
6:54.
It's 5 to 7 and I am ready for bed.
5 minutes?
Oh, the TV's going off in 5 minutes and then you can have half an hour reading books or drawing or something.
Down here.
You can stay down here if you want. I'm going upstairs. It's cold.
Do we need to do that? What else can we do?
I've got to go to the job centre tomorrow. Ari!
So fun.
What was that?
Nothing. I did do one.
Do you ever do burps?
Nope.
What do you do instead? Right, we're going. We'll see you tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.